But God, a soggy start to spring break for a lot of people here in North Texas.
I know it. So any road trips that were taking place early on probably ran into a few showers. Won't be the case all day though. Here's what you have to know about this week. Today we have the morning clouds and that light rain, but for the afternoon, the sunshine's going to come out and it will be noticeably warmer than over the weekend. Our next big change happens Thursday. That's when we have the potential to see some strong storms, a few of them on the severe side. I'm going to first talk about today before I transition into talking about our next big change. And something else that I know you want to know is about this weekend. After the rain moves out, we're going to see temperatures drop. It'll feel noticeably cooler, and it'll feel like a cool spring weekend. Right now, Clyde Warren Park camera looking towards downtown Dallas. You can see the cloud cover overhead, a few rays of sunshine trying to peek through. Temperature there at 55 degrees. If you are spending any time outside, our pollen count is still elevated. Juniper and oak at a high count, hackberry now at a moderate, and fungus at a low count. Okay, here's a look at radar. Latest radar is showing a little shower moving through Dallas. Now, with that being said, we do have an elevated layer of dry air, so some of this rain could be evaporating, but eventually making it to the ground, and it'll look like an area of drizzle. The slightly heavier rain is to the east, and that's anywhere from Sulphur Springs, areas of Hunt County, Kaufman County, towards the southeast. It'll continue to push east. Already seeing the clearing for our western counties. That's where our temperatures will be warmest this afternoon because we're seeing the sunshine there longer. So this is Monday around 12. You see a lot of this little rain moving into the area along our eastern counties. It clears up for this afternoon, and then we'll see that sunshine. So our western counties will be warmer as a result. We'll see sunshine there longer, low 70s there, 70 for Dallas, Fort Worth, and upper 60s for our eastern counties. Okay, let's talk about the rain that returns. After this rain moves out today, we don't see it again until Wednesday night. A few areas may see a scattered shower, but higher coverage of rain, and the highest that I have on the 14-day is on Thursday, 80% coverage. That's when we could see strong to severe storms. It dwindles down to about 60% coverage on Thursday night, but stays with us here through Saturday. It does lower, however. So I'm going to show you here. This is taking you into Thursday afternoon because I think this is when we'll see the most widespread coverage. The timing of this is still going to change. We're still a few days out from this, but a dry line takes shape with a cold front. This setup in the springtime generally does produce at least some isolated thunderstorm activity that could be severe, with hail and strong winds looking like the main concern now. Now, with this cold front eventually passing through, some showers and isolated storms will still be possible Friday and even into Saturday. Now on Thursday, when all of this is initiating, we could see some strong to severe storms. That's why Storm Prediction Center right now has us under a level 2 out of 5. That's considered a slight risk. That means we could see an isolated storm or two with severe potential. We could pick up anywhere between ½ inch to 2 inches of rain. This is between Thursday and Saturday. It's looking closer to the 1.5 to 2 inch range for a big portion of the Metroplex. Higher totals to the east. Temperatures the next couple of days are warming though. Mid 70s Tuesday, 80s Wednesday before that rain returns, and then a cooler weekend into the 60s. Don't forget you can catch the Mavs tonight right here on WFA at 7 p.m. Cleo.
All right. Thanks there, Maria.